Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to log into your CoinMarketCap application using your mobile device. To log into your CoinMarketCap account with your CoinMarketCap app, first of all, launch open CoinMarketCap application and from the home page, look for the profile icon at the top right-hand corner. After you tap on it, you will then be able to see the expanded menu where you'll need to tap on Log In. To log into your existing account, you can go ahead and choose Continue with Google, Apple, or Continue with Wallet option, but be sure that you have used the same option while signing up for CoinMarketCap previously. If you have used email address and password option while signing up, you will need to do the same here. Type in your email address in the first text box that is associated with your CoinMarketCap account. Similarly, enter your password on the next field that is associated with your account. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions to reset to a new one. Finally, after you are done with your correct credentials, tap on the Login button in blue, and you will then be able to log in successfully on CoinMarketCap. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.